Hey YouTube, Mario M here. Uh, got some new coins to show you and a couple things that came in today. There's a lot of stuff I got to show you today, so I'm gonna go ahead and get right into it. First and foremost, what I'd like to do is I'd like to do a shout out to a good friend of mine, AU Rebel. He's celebrating his 500 subs. And he's got a giveaway, very generous giveaway, by the way, and also one of the nicest guys that you've in the silver community. So I encourage you to check out his channel. That's AU Rebel, and enter his giveaway contest. Everybody's eligible. He's giving everybody a chance, so go out there and check out his channel. You won't be disappointed. Next thing is I picked up a couple of coins in the last couple of days. I picked up another 2013 Panda Coin, one of my favorite coins. I had $5 from eBay, so I went ahead and purchased this and used the $5 that eBay was nice enough to give me. This one's in really good condition as well. And you know, again, these things are going for anywhere from $30 to $38, sometimes even $40. I picked this one up for just under $30, and then the $5 discount, I picked it up for about $24.99. So I still think that's a fairly good buy on it. And the next thing that I picked up was this 1898 Morgan. It's ungraded, but it's in very, very good condition. Check out the luster on this thing. Checked it out really good. It's in very good condition. It's a good strike. Very few scratches, bag marks or anything like that, and that's why I picked it up, because it was so clean. Yeah, and it's uncirculated as well. So I was pretty happy with that pickup there. So then the next thing that I'd like to show you is this little box here. Last week I got some Memento Mori coins, the Cancer and the Gemini, so I thought. But when I opened the box, I had 4 Cancer coins instead of 2 Cancer and 2 Gemini. So I went ahead and called them and talked to them about it, and when I realized that the Cancer coins had gone up $20 and the Gemini coins had only gone up $10, I said, oh gosh, what am I going to do? I'm going to return those $20. So I'm going to return those Cancer coins, and it's basically like losing $10 a piece. So instead of returning them, what I did is I just purchased a couple of more Gemini, a couple of Gemini coins, and you know, I paid $10 more for them, but I figured I made it up on the Cancer ones. So I'm still doing better on that. So I opened this up because I couldn't wait to open it up, so I went ahead and opened it up. So here are, let me pull this out of there, at least out of the first bag. These are not bad looking either. I like the Cancer better, but these are not bad looking. I really like them. This one was 94 out of 500. And this one here is 150 out of 500. So, now I've got 4 Cancer and 2 Gemini. So, I'm happy with that. Okay, so, and finally, last week I made another video where I received 30 pandas from Silvertowne. Now that the cat's out of the bag, when I made the video I didn't want to say who it was, but Hi-Ho Silver also bought some, and his package was as bad as mine, and so he made a video showing, you know, how bad they were packaged. So I think everybody already knows that they were from Silvertowne. But anyways, I got the replacement box, and if you guys saw my video, you heard when I flipped these over, when I turned this over, you could hear the coins rattling around, and they were all loose in there. This one here, while you can still hear them, they're obviously packaged much, much better. Much, much better. So, and as you can see, they put these on there, fragile. And I haven't opened this one yet. I wanted to open it on video, so let's open that right now. Okay. I gotta tell you, the customer service for Silvertowne was not very nice. I don't think I was treated like a customer that had just received a box full of coins that were totally loose in a box. When I was calling them and talking to them about it, I never got an "I'm sorry, sir, that this happened to you. We'll send you a return postage, and you can send it back to us, and we'll send you another box." Nothing like that. They just said, "Okay, we'll send you a return postage, send them back, and we'll send you some other ones." And they were like in a hurry to get off the phone with me. And I was kind of concerned, like, hey, are you guys going to package it better the next time it gets to me? But it seemed like they just wanted to get off the phone as soon as possible. So I wasn't very happy with that. Even though I have done business with them, and sometimes they have some great sales. Okay. Already we can see here that the packaging is much better. Look at that. You can tell it's packaged much better because it's harder to get out. There's even some more packaging inside the box. Look at that. This was up front. We wrapped it up nicely in this bubble wrap and in ribbon. There they are. Much, much better. Much, much better. I'm still going to open this up and look at them very carefully. There are a couple of coins. There are still a couple of coins that came out, and they just fell out right now. But at least they're still in their airtights. See, these came out of their holes here, but at least they're still in their airtights. Looks like there's one that came out of the airtight, but most of them are intact in their place where they're supposed to be. But I'm still going to check them really, really good. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and go out and check out AU Rebel's channel and enter his contest. And good luck to everybody. Thanks for watching. Adios.